These are dominoes. You will notice that each domino has two sides, and on the sides we see collections of dots. We refer to these dots as pips. One of the ways in which we can use the dominoes is to help us with division. So we're going to take two dominoes. I'm going to take this one and this one. And we have 4 different digits represented here. So what we're going to do is take 3 of the digits, and that's going to build a 3-digit number. And we are going to take the other digit, and that will be the number that we divide into the 3-digit number. So I'm going to take one of the 3s, and then I'll take the 4 and the 6, and I have made 346. Now I have one digit left, which is a 3, so that will be my divisor. So now we'll do the division. So how many sets of 3 can divide into 3? 1. We have no remainder, so we'll bring down the 4. So how many times can 3 divide into 4? Once. And now I'm going to bring down the 6, and now I think, how many times can 3 divide into 16? And it would be 5. 3 times 5 is 15, and I have a remainder of 1. I can give this to a partner. I can explain what I did, and my partner can confirm my answer, and then we can switch. And my partner can build 2 numbers to then divide. So here's one way in which we can use the dominoes to help us with division.